Meet My Skin Buddy, a revolutionary at-home device for a clearer, brighter, and more youthful appearance. First, click once for setting 1 for deep cleansing mode. Gently cleanse in a slow and circular motion for up to 5 minutes. If your cleanser begins to dry, add more water to skin and rinse face when complete. After this is complete, gently rinse with lukewarm water and use a soft towel to gently pat your skin dry. Hold the power button down for up to 5 seconds until the device turns off. Then disinfect with alcohol or wipes to prepare for the next step. Step 2. Double cleanse or tone. First, apply a cotton round or square to the metal head and secure in place with plastic cotton round feature. Then spray your favorite toner on your cotton round or square. Click once for setting 1 for deep cleansing mode. Double cleanse or tone in a slow and circular motion for up to 2 minutes. Remove the plastic cover along with the cotton round. Then clean device and surface with alcohol wipes or disinfectant to prepare for the next step. Step 3. Treat, nourish, and infuse. Apply your serum directly to skin. Pair with Be Bright Serum for fast and effective results. Choose from the following settings depending on your skin goals and treat the area for up to 5 minutes using slow and circular movements. Settings include deep and gentle cleansing, acne care and prevention, calming and brightening, skin rejuvenation, multi-benefit, and a light-free option as well. Setting 1. Deep and gentle cleansing mode using red and white LED. This setting lets you experience a gentle yet deep cleanse. Blue and red LED. For oily skin or acne-prone skin, use setting 2 with product infusion and blue light therapy to kill P. acnes bacteria that leads to breakouts. Green and yellow LED. For sensitive, irritated, and hyperpigmented skin, use setting 3 with product infusion and green light therapy to help calm the appearance of redness and dark spots. Red and green LED. To deeply infuse your skincare products and stimulate natural collagen production, use setting 4 for plump and radiant skin that you will see after the first treatment. Multi-benefit or the disco party mode. In setting 5, we've removed the blue light from the setting to focus on skin plumping, brightening, and ingredient infusion. Light-free mode. For product infusion only without light therapy, use setting 6 to help deliver ingredients for deeper and maximize nutrient absorption. Bonus skin tips and tricks. Try adding these skin-boosting treatments to your weekly routine for even better results. Apply eye patches, and you can choose the red light or light-free setting with product infusion to gently deliver ingredients deep into the skin and help reduce the appearance of puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. Treat each eye area for up to 5 minutes. No need to walk over to the bathroom sink because My Skin Buddy has a 3 times magnifying mirror on the back. Relax and admire your awakened radiance. Plug in your My Skin Buddy after use to ensure full charge for your next treatment. Each charge will last up to 60 minutes of use. Don't forget to wipe down your device to avoid harboring bacteria that may cause skin irritation and breakouts. And this is your simple guide to your nightly My Skin Buddy routine.